Do you feel trapped? Do you yearn for a deeper sense of purpose and clarity? It's time to tap into the profound wisdom within you and transform your life from the inside out, from more peace, purpose, and creativity to greater emotional stability and better relationships. Connecting with your higher self isn't just a dream, it's a powerful reality waiting to be unlocked. Are you ready to discover the secret to achieving anything you desire? Our higher self is a guiding light that we must learn to distinguish from everyday thoughts to experience life at its highest potential. Connecting with our higher self provides divine perspective and clarity on our purpose and mission. When we learn to listen to this inner guidance, we align with a wisdom that transcends our limited perspectives. Watch until the end so that you can have access to all the knowledge and techniques to tap into your higher self and live your best life. I remember a time when I felt lost and disconnected from my true purpose. I was overwhelmed by everyday stresses and unable to see a clear path forward. One night, I was out of patience and too exhausted to fight, so I just sat in silence. As I quieted my mind, I felt a profound sense of peace wash over me, and in that stillness, I heard a gentle voice guiding me towards a new direction. That moment of connection with my higher self changed everything, giving me the clarity and confidence to pursue my true passions. This channel, Infinite Souls, might not ever have existed if not for that moment. Now, to fully engage with life and connect with our higher self, we must learn to be present, just as I was. This means quieting our minds, removing distractions, and immersing ourselves in the here and now. When we let go of past regrets and future anxieties, stop thinking about all the things we need to do, or harping on negativity, we open up a space for deeper, more authentic engagement with life. Don't doubt me until you've taken the time to quiet your mind and listen for that voice. Aligning with your higher self involves being fully present in the moment. It's about savoring each experience and allowing yourself to be fully immersed in the now. This presence enables you to tune into the frequency of your higher self, unlocking a new level of understanding and living. This awareness, this calm, is being in the flow of life. One effective way to cultivate this presence is through mindfulness meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath, allowing your thoughts to settle. Notice the sensations in your body and the sounds around you without judgment. This practice helps quiet the mind and fosters a deeper connection with your higher self. Embracing and accepting the present moment without judgment is also essential for forming a clear connection with your higher self. It's about allowing each moment to unfold as it is, without labeling it as good or bad. This acceptance propels you towards growth and wisdom. Thoughts will pop into your head. Let them enter and leave freely. Events will unfold that your mind will rush to judge. Don't. Just observe. Consider the oak tree standing tall and rooted in the present. It communicates effortlessly with nature, symbolizing the power of living in the now. Like the oak, when we focus on the present, we align with the natural flow of life and our higher self. Reflect on the judgments you hold about your present moment. What stories are you telling yourself about your current experiences? How can you release these judgments and embrace the now with openness and acceptance? Cultivating awareness is key to tuning into your higher self and expanding your consciousness. This involves embracing a mindset of learning and growth, being open to new insights, and elevating your consciousness to understand the guidance of your higher self. Try a guided visualization to expand your consciousness. Close your eyes and imagine a light above your head, representing your higher self. Visualize this light expanding and enveloping you, filling you with wisdom and clarity. This practice can help you tap into deeper levels of understanding and guidance. Finding this calm in the now, you no longer block the path of wisdom from your higher self. Trusting your intuition and feelings is vital for recognizing the guidance of your higher self. Our higher self communicates through subtle feelings and intuitive nudges, guiding us towards our true path. Strengthen your intuition by practicing exercises that enhance your inner knowing. For example, take a few moments each day to ask yourself simple questions and listen to your gut responses. Over time, you'll become more attuned to your higher self's guidance. Connecting with your higher self means recognizing the voice of love and wisdom over the ego. Our intuition, often underutilized due to our reliance on logic, provides unique perspectives and deep understanding when we learn to listen. Unlike the ego, which is driven by fear, competition, and a desire for control, the higher self speaks with a gentle, compassionate, and expansive tone. The ego's voice is often loud and insistent, pushing you to act out of anxiety or insecurity. In contrast, the higher self's guidance feels calm, clear, and aligned with your true purpose. When you tune into your higher self, you experience a sense of peace and certainty, knowing that your actions are guided by love and wisdom rather than fear and doubt. By cultivating this connection, you can navigate life with a greater sense of clarity and fulfillment, making decisions that are in harmony with your deepest values and aspirations. To differentiate between ego and higher self, notice the tone of the guidance you receive. The higher self speaks with love, compassion, and infinite possibility, while the ego often speaks with fear and limitation, judgment, scarcity, and jealousy. So practice tuning into the gentle, loving voice within. You can also incorporate daily affirmations to strengthen your connection with your higher self. Repeat empowering statements such as, "I am aligned with my higher self," and "I trust the wisdom within me." These affirmations reinforce your intention to connect and receive guidance. Self-transformation often requires overcoming internal obstacles such as fear and insecurity. These barriers can keep us in our comfort zones and prevent us from exploring our true potential. Explore books and courses on overcoming fear and insecurity to support your journey. Resources such as The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle and Daring Greatly by Brené Brown offer valuable insights and tools. It is important to also challenge and question your limiting beliefs in order to connect with your higher self. Our beliefs shape our reality, and by rewriting these narratives, we can transform our lives. Use the belief blueprint to identify and rewrite limiting beliefs. Write down a limiting belief, examine the evidence supporting it, and actively seek evidence to counter it. This process helps dismantle old beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. You can watch our video on that here. As simply as I've laid this out, in actuality there will be struggles along the way. Embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth. Challenges push us beyond our limits, building resilience and inner strength. Reflect on recent discomforts and how they have spurred growth. What lessons have you learned from these experiences? How can you embrace future challenges as opportunities for transformation? Acceptance is crucial for inner growth. By accepting the past as part of our journey, we free ourselves from emotional burdens and discover our true essence. Embracing authenticity and vulnerability allows us to connect with our higher self and live with purpose and passion. By celebrating every step of self-transformation, we honor our journey and the progress we make. Reflect on how you currently perceive your higher self's guidance. What signs or feelings indicate that you are on the right path? How can you become more attuned to this inner wisdom? By integrating these practices, you can align with your higher self, challenge limiting beliefs, and embrace self-transformation to live a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Ready to deepen your connection with your higher self? Start today by setting aside time for these transformative practices and watch as your life begins to change in profound ways. Now, there are 5 stages of spiritual awakening. Do you know what stage you're in? If you want to find out, watch this video here.